Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am making sticky chicken in the Instant Pot. If you haven't done so, be sure to subscribe to us and push that little bell so you can get all of our notifications, and especially on Mondays so you can get a new Instant Pot recipe. All right, you guys, let's head on over to the kitchen and make this Instant Pot sticky chicken. All right, let's get started. So on your Instant Pot, you are going to push the Sauté button. Then you're going to take 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and just dump it into the bottom of your Instant Pot. Next, you're going to take 2 tablespoons of white distilled vinegar. Now I know what you're thinking, vinegar in sticky chicken, that's disgusting, but it actually makes it taste so good. So don't forget your vinegar. After that, the recipe calls for 4 tablespoons of ketchup. Now, it's not crucial that you have to get exactly 4 tablespoons, so I'm just measuring here with my eyeball. But if you like to measure exactly, it's 4 tablespoons. As you can see, my Instant Pot is starting to heat up from the Sauté button, so mix around your ketchup a little bit so it won't burn in one clump. Next, you're going to add 6 tablespoons of honey. And just like the ketchup, I'm just going to eyeball this. I don't love doing tablespoons with ketchup or honey because it makes a big mess. I like it quick and easy. So I'm just estimating about 6 tablespoons. But I am going to measure the sugar. So I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of sugar. After you've added that, just go ahead and mix it all up. And we're going to wait until it starts to boil a little bit. That's when you know the sauce is ready. All right, it only took about 2 minutes to get it really nice and bubbly. Now, because I am using an Instant Pot, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of water just to have more liquid so it will pressurize. All right, so after I've added my water, I'm going to add 1 to 1.5 pounds of popcorn chicken. This is Kroger popcorn chicken. It's one of my most favorite kinds. Then you're just going to dump it in and mix it around a little bit. Now, when most of your chicken has somewhat touched the sauce, it's time to add your lid. Now, just remember, when you're using a pressure cooker, you want it on venting, not sealing. So I cooked this on manual for 7 minutes. Then I was done. I just mixed it around a little bit. The sauce will get thicker as you wait. Then when you're done, you just take it out of the Instant Pot and you serve it on your favorite rice or quinoa or whatever you like to put underneath. Hey, and before you forget, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you are new to the Instant Pot, be sure to click on our video right there. It's called Instant Pot Don'ts. It will help you figure out the things you should do and the things you shouldn't do when using your Instant Pot.